Want to travel to Egypt with HAPI? Since 1999, Akhet Tours has featured some of the most culturally dynamic tours to Egypt. Taaqiy Grant, the director of the award-winning documentary film HAPI, is also the CEO and founder of Akhet Tours. As part of our 23rd anniversary trip to the Nile, Akhet Tours is hosting an extraordinary, first-of-its-kind tour that includes nightlife on the Nile. This expedition is geared towards the savvy traveler seeking an intellectually stimulating experience and a good time. Visitors will check into a hand-picked, chartered luxury cruise exclusively for our group. By day, we will visit the pyramids, and at night, we will party under the cosmos as we sail up the Nile. Come experience the historical landmarks that have stood the test of time. For more information, please visit our website at www.akhettours.com. You can also email us at akhettours@gmail.com.